Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here. Today I'm in the SRT and I'm heading out to meet up with Ron MotorTube. He's switching out his tire, so he's gonna do a nice big burnout, and he needs some help filming it, so I'm gonna go ahead and help him out and get some cool angles for you guys, show you what a 1,000 horsepower burnout looks like. So I'm heading over to the tire shop right now. It's pretty early, it's like 11 o'clock, but we found this very, very awesome tire shop. They're super chill, and they have like a little area behind the shop where pretty much they said we can do burnouts and they wouldn't mind. So super pumped for it. It's gonna be cool. I know they're gonna try to convince me to do a burnout in the SRT, and as of right now I don't want to because I'm not ready for new tires in the back just yet. But they might convince me. So if they do, they do. If they don't, then we'll save our tires for another time. But at the moment, I'm not looking to do a burnout. So I'm just gonna tell you guys that right now. Let's see if he's here. There he is.
Yeah. Hey, I came in. He goes, rev it up, rev it up. So I'm like, no, you get in there and rev it up yourself. He's like, fix it up. It means like put it in track mode. But I got the
wheel up?
Huh?
You brought your
I
wheel
brought it. He said you got to do it by hand. So
okay.
Oh, you brought this today, huh?
Yes, sir. This is the burnout pit. Yo, bro, side boo's been getting no love. Today it's all about side boo.
It's all good.
No more Mustang.
Where are you going dressed up like that?
From school, dog.
Okay. Stay in school, kid.
She's a little dirty. She's been sleeping outside, but we'll get her cleaned up.
The good thing is color.
Alright, guys. So MotorTube showed up from Michigan with a tiny ass camera, a GoPro.
Hey, he literally took me from this to this with like $2,000 later.
So now this is what he's filming on. It is massive. The quality's amazing. Double the battery life. It's crazy, but it's definitely a workout. Like even my camera is a lot smaller than what he has right now. But you know, got anything for quality.
Oh yeah, this is the big boy.
New rubber, old rubber, about to be burned up right now. Here we go. Alright, we're gonna start taping up the car for the burnout. Yeah.
Let me show you the angle.
Go lower. Right there.
Good?
Yeah.
I want you to get it from the front.
The burnout from the front?
Like from right here. Where it shows like the eyes.
Uh-huh.
And like this like front and side angle. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah. You want to zoom in a little bit maybe?
Go for it. Make it quick. Here comes the smoke show. gotta get the tire mark. Killed it, good shit. That's 1,000 horsepower burnout right there. There's like 30% of your tire life is on the ground still.
Oh, look at this, it's still smoking, guys. The ground is on fire.
That was nice, dude. Huh?
Oh man, it smells like I'm making like...
Damn, look how much stuff they picked up. You were in it for a minute.
Hey, good. Yeah, dude. I wanted to like...
Really just... Yeah.
It was good. Hey, I was watching
the drone?
Oh, dude, I was like, let's
I can't believe it's still going. It's been at least like 5 minutes.
You gotta put out the fire.
Alrighty guys, and just like that, this video is effectively over. I hope you guys enjoyed that burnout. If you did, make sure you leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you don't know MotorTube, go ahead and check out his channel. He has 2 crazy rides and he does crazy shit. So we're pretty much gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will see you tomorrow. My name is Rush. I'm in the SRT, and we'll catch you later. Peace.